dear students, it's time for maths lecture. So open your textbook. Open book page number 166. Sorry, book page number 167. Open. In today's class, we will learn how to convert hours into minute. In our previous lecture, what we learned? We learned how to convert days into hours. Now in today's class we will learn how to convert hours into minutes. So question number 2 we will perform basically. Read question number 2 carefully. Question number 2 is convert into minutes. Exercise 11.1. Question number 2. Convert into minutes. First of all, I am writing hint for you. Write this hint only one time, okay? To convert hours into minute, we multiply the given number with 60. To convert, what is the hint? To convert hours into minutes, multiply the number of hours by 60. By which number we will multiply? We will multiply by 60. Okay? To convert hours into minutes. In copy, what you will write? You will write the question, you will write the hint, then we will solve. Excuse me. Okay, question number 1. Question number 2, part A is 12 hours. Given is 12 hours. And we want to convert this 12 hours into minutes. It is our task, okay? So, we know that. Now here hours are given. So, we will write, we know that 1 hour. Here as in question hours are given, so we will write 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Therefore, the symbol is known as therefore. This 3 dot symbol is known as therefore. Therefore, 12 hours will be equals to 12 multiply 60. 12 multiply 60. Why we are multiplying with 60? Because hint is saying that. Okay? So 12 multiply 60. Multiply number 12 with 60. When we multiply 12 with 60, our result is 720 minutes. So 12 hours equals to 720 minutes. This is how we convert hours into minutes. By multiplying 60 minutes, we get our result. So in each question, in the same manner, we multiply by 60 and will get our answer. Note it down or take the screenshot. B. The given hours are 27 hours given. We know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Therefore, 27 hours will be equal to. Now we want to convert hours into minutes. So what hint says that multiply the number of hours by 60. So we will multiply 27 by 60 minutes. Multiply 27 by 60 minutes. Multiply 27 by 60 minutes. So when we multiply 27 with 60, our result is 1620 minutes. So it is very simple to convert hours into minute. To convert hours into minute, we multiply the given number with 60. Take the screenshot. Take the screenshot. Now part C. In part C, the given numbers are the given number is 33 hours. In part C, 33 hours is given. In solution what we write? We know that. What we know? 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Therefore, in each question you need to write these two lines. Okay, in each question you will write both the lines. Okay, we know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Therefore, 33 hours will be equal to, according to hint, we will multiply 33 with 60 minutes. Right, now multiply 33 by 60. Multiply 33 by 60. In rough work, arrange both the number column wise and multiply them. When we multiply them, my result is 1980. 1980 minutes. It is my final answer. So 33 hours means 1980 minutes. 33 hours means 1980 minutes. Take the screenshot so that you can write properly in your classwork copy. 33 hours means 1980 minutes. Now question number D. In question number D, what is given? 51 hours given. 51 hours given. Now we want to convert 51 hours into minutes. So according to hint, if we convert hours into minutes, what we do? We multiply the number by 60 minutes. So we know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Therefore, 51 hours is equals to 51 multiplied by 60 minutes. Now multiply 51 with 60. In rough work, arrange both the numbers column wise and multiply them. Arrange both the numbers column wise and multiply them. Arrange 51 and 60 column wise and multiply them. So when we arrange 51 and 60 and multiply them, my result is 63060 minutes. 3060 minutes means 51 hours will be equals to 3060 minutes. 51 hours means 3060 minutes. Take the screenshot of the solution. Okay, now question number E. Given question is 39 hours 6 minutes. It is our given question 39 hours 6 minutes. What is our task? According to question, convert into minutes. We want to convert into minutes, right? Our given question is 39 hours 6 minutes. So here observe that 6 minutes is already in minutes. So no need to convert this part. We will just convert the 39 hours into minutes and later we will join both the minutes and will get our final result. Okay? 6 minutes are already in minutes. That is why we will not convert the 6 minutes into minutes. Why? Because it is already in minutes. We will convert only 39 hours into minutes. So see how to solve this kind of question. We know that according to hint we multiply the number by 60. So we are converting 39 into minutes. So we will multiply 39 by 60 minutes. Right? 6 is already in minutes. So we will write 6 minutes as it is. Okay. Now solve in the next step. Solve the bracket first. Arrange both the number 39 and 60 column wise and multiply them. Multiply both the numbers. Okay, when I multiply 39 by 60, my result is 2340. It is in minutes, so minute. plus 6 minutes. Now this part is in minute, 6 is already in minute, so both are in minutes, we can add them. As their units are same, we can add them. So add both the numbers, when we add we get 2346 minutes. Write all the thing very systematically in your copy, okay? Put proper equal to signs, put brackets at proper sign, at proper place, okay? So 39 hours 6 minutes will be equals to 2346 minutes. 39 hours 6 minutes will be equal to 2346 minutes. Take the screenshot. Okay, now we will solve question number F. Now we will solve question number F. In question number F, what is given? 50 hours 12 minutes. It is our given question, 50 hours 12 minutes. We want to convert it into minutes. So we observe that 12 minutes are already in minutes. So we will not convert this part. We will just convert the hours into minute. Okay. So solve. We know that. Excuse me. Okay, question number F we are doing. We know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Therefore 50 hours 12 minutes is equals to 50 hour 12 minutes is equals to 50 multiply, as 50 is in hours, so we will multiply with 50 only. 50 into 60 minutes. Bracket close, plus 12 minutes. Now in the next step what we will do? We will solve the bracket. Solve the bracket 50 into 60. When we multiply 50 and 60, our result is 3000 minutes. Now plus as it is 12 minutes as it is. Now in the next step what we will do? This 3000 is in minutes, 12 is in minutes. Both have the same units, so we can add them. So add both the numbers. When we add 3000 with 12, our result is 3012 minutes. So 50 hours 12 minutes is equals to 3012 minutes. Note it down or take the screenshot. Now part G we will solve. is G? Given 87 hours 55 minutes. Now our task is to convert 87 hours 55 minutes into minutes. Right? Here 55 minutes are already in minutes, so no need to convert 55 minutes. We will just convert 87 hours. Okay? So solve. We know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. These two lines you need to write in each solution of question number 2. In each solution you will write these two lines. Okay? So we know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Therefore 87 hours 55 minutes is equals to, we are converting 87 hours into minutes, so we will multiply 60 with 87 only. So 87 multiplied by 60 minutes plus 55 is already in minutes, so we will write it as it is, plus 55 minutes. Okay, now in the next step we will solve this bracket. Arrange 87 and 60 in rough work. Arrange both the number column wise and multiply them. When we multiply 87 by 60, my result is 5000. My result is 5220. 5220 2 minutes. Sorry, 220 minutes. When we multiply, my result is this, then plus sign, then 55 minutes. Write as it is. Now see, both the numbers are in minutes, their units are same, both the numbers are minutes, so we can add them. So now add both the numbers. Add both the numbers. After addition, we get 5275 minutes. So these questions are very simple. What we are doing, we are converting hours into minutes, and to convert hours into minutes, what we do? We multiply the number with 60. So 87 hours 55 minutes means 5275 minutes. Take the screenshot. Now we will solve question number 8. Question number 8. Given question is 96 hours 42 minutes. Now we want to convert 96 hours 42 minutes into minutes, and to convert hours into minutes, according to hint we have, multiply the number by 60. So solve. We know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Therefore 96 hours 42 minutes will be equal to, now 96 hours we will convert into minutes. So to convert 96 hours into minutes, we will multiply 96 with 60. So bracket open, 96 multiplied by 60 minutes, bracket close, plus 42 is already in minutes, write plus 42 minutes. Now in the next step, solve with this bracket. In rough work, arrange both the number column wise and multiply them. Okay, when we multiply both the numbers, my result is 5760 minutes plus 42 minutes. Now in the next step, what we will do? We will add both the numbers. We are adding why? Because both are in minutes. If one is in hour and other number is in minutes, we cannot add them. Okay? Because units are same, so we can add both the numbers. Arrange both the numbers column wise and add them. Okay, so 96 hours 42 minutes means 5802 minutes. Take the screenshot. Take the screenshot of the question. In the same manner, we will solve the remaining questions. Okay, so question number I, J, K and L are your homework. What is your homework? I am writing here. Part I, J, K and L. These 4 questions are your homework. Okay. Solve them, check the answers from back side of the book. Okay. In the same manner, the solution will be as we solve all these. Okay students, we will meet in the next lecture with new concept. Till then, complete your remaining work.